This short video will walk you through how to post resources to Delicious. Delicious is a social bookmarking site. Here I have some tabs, some websites I've pulled up. This is a very cool site. Just learned about this last night. It's a collaborative tool called View, V-Y-E-W. I'm going to show you how to post using just the copy and paste functions for Delicious. That way you can post anytime on any computer with Delicious. There are buttons in Delicious which will make this go a little bit faster for you. So when you're working on your computer, you want to install the buttons. So I'm simply going to copy this with Control C, go back to my Delicious account, click on Post, paste the URL in. You'll notice that every time you post this way, it's going to encourage you to install your browser buttons. We're going to ignore that for now. Click Save. By installing the browser buttons, it actually reduces some steps in filling in this next form, this next page. This is a site here for shared desktop and more. I'm going to say this is very cool. I've reviewed this site. I'm going to put this under collaboration and Web 2.0. Now these are tags, and I can also type things in here. If I start to type 21st, up comes the 21st century classroom. And I'll just go ahead and leave it at that. So you notice I've actually tagged this in multiple places, saved it multiple ways. Oh, you know what? I'm going to save this also as NAIS. There it is, 2008. We'll save that as well and click Save. This will be a resource that has just been added to my Delicious account. We'll go ahead and get another one here. There it is. You see it's saved. Come over here. This is a website for presentations that I've done at this conference, and as well as some other things that are here as well. You'll see it's a rather extensive website. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as a resource as well. So I copy that, click on my Delicious account, post, and we're going to paste the URL. And I'm going to type presentation site. And this is part of the 21st century classroom display here. It's part of NAIS. And we'll put that there as well. And I save it. We'll go get one more. This one's a little different. In this case, I have a simulation that we're going to look at. This is a very cool simulation. Nice, simple little simulation here regarding torque. And I'm going to copy that URL. In this case, I have some bookmarks that are by subject. And I have a course I just started teaching called Human Physics. I'm going to go ahead and leave that in the Human Physics bundle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post, paste the URL, click Save. Say torque sim there, or simulation. And for tags, I'm going to say physics, Physlet, and because it's a particular field of physics, I'll also say here's torque. Now, obviously, I've used that before, and we'll leave it at that. And I'm just simply going to click Save. Now, what'll happen, because I've bundled these together, and that's something that you can explore on your own, this will show up in the bundle for Human Physics. Now, I can share this entire bundle with my students. So any bookmarks that I've made for this particular class, I simply share these bookmarks with my kids by sharing the URL for that. That's it. So welcome to Posting in Delicious.